Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a different kind of video. This is going to be an unboxing video, but I'm not going to be doing like makeup or skincare or anything like that. This is going to be Snackcrate. I don't want to show the front of it because it has my address, but yes, this is the box and the stuffers in here. So if you guys have never heard of Snackcrate, you get to pick well, actually, for the first month, like I got to pick between 3 different places, either Hawaii, Canada, or Germany, or mystery. I picked Germany, so this is snacks from Germany. The first month, I believe, is 50% off, so that's why I wanted to really try it. I thought it was going to be interesting, and I actually really like it. I think I might continue it, so if I do continue my subscription with them, I'll do another unboxing for the next month. I think after the first month, they pick for you. I don't really know, but I know for this first month I got to pick which box I wanted. So this is the inside of it. We're also going to be trying them out and seeing how they taste. So it says, welcome to this month's snacking adventure, get social with us. And yeah, so this is it right here. So it says on here Germany. And then I believe, yeah, it just has like little fun facts. So I think these are really interesting to read. And then I don't want to read what's the products that might be in here. I kind of like it when it's like a surprise. So that's just how I'm going to do it. So let's see. So we're going to open it up. Okay, so I see a lot of goodies in here already. We're going to try them out. This is the one, I think it comes with like 10 different snacks. They have like 3 different options to choose from, and I picked the one in the middle because it is 50% off. Usually it's more expensive. Like a little box cutter, it's just easier and less messy. So the first thing we're going to try is this called Snack That, which is this right here. We're going to try these out. So it looks like that, like little like bread. Kind of looks like just like marble. And we're gonna try it. They're pretty good. It's not like the best thing ever. It's alright. I probably wouldn't buy it, but it's alright. I'm not really that into sweets. And then the next one is this. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce these, but it looks like it has like a bell pepper in the front. So let's try these. They look just like regular chips. These are actually pretty good. It tastes exactly like the Lay's barbecue chips. It tastes exactly like that. So if you like that, then you would like these. They're pretty good. The next one is these. They kind of look like peanuts. Let's go ahead and try it out. They're good, but it's really weird. Like, it tastes exactly like peanut butter, but it's really weird that it's like in a little chip form. Like I can't get over that. I don't know. I can't. It's just too weird for me. Like, I think it's weird that it's like a chip form. That's crazy to me. This next one is, they look like little volcano gummies. I love gummy candies, so I feel like I would like this one. And it looks like it has like, oh yeah, like a little volcano in the middle. These are bomb. Those are pretty good. It's like one of those kind of like hard gummy candies, so it takes a while to really chew it. But right in the middle, like that little bread thing that I showed you guys, like in the volcano, is like sour stuff. It's really good. Like once you bite into it and you get to it, you just feel like a little taste of sourness. It's really good. So then this next one are these right here. So it says barbecue. I don't know, do they have a thing for barbecue? Because like those other chips were like barbecue flavored chips. Those are actually really good. It has like a little nut in the middle, so I think they have a thing for like nuts and barbecue. That's what I'm starting to get the hint of. Next we got these. These look really good. So let me open these up. Yeah, these look, oh, this looks really good. I might actually just finish this one. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna take another bite. These are bomb. Next are these right here. What are these? I don't know what these are. These little colorful thingies. Open it up. Oh yeah, no. No. Those are way too sweet. Tastes like gum. That's not for me. The next is these right here. So they just look like little regular crackers. Just gonna try a little piece. Those are really good. They're just like basic little wafer cookies. Oh, these are so good, but I'm not gonna open it because I have my own box already from them. If you guys haven't tried these are so good. I get them off Amazon. These are bomb. I'm not gonna open it because I already know what they taste like. But yes, you guys need to trust me. Get these from Amazon. They are so good. And then they just give me like little tiny gummies. And this other one that they gave me was this. I think I'll try this. It looks like it's like a little pizza. That's what it looks like. Let me see. Wow. Yeah. It's basically a pizza. It kind of tastes like a Hot Pocket. That's pretty much what I got in my snack crate. And yeah, so I think you guys should definitely try it out. It is really fun to just try out some products from all over the world, especially, you know, you're not going to be traveling everywhere. And I don't know, I just think it's really cool and neat to be able to try different products. So, well, food. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys try them out. I'm going to be I'll probably be continuing my subscription. I'm going to try it out for another month and see how it goes. But so far, I actually really like it. Let me know if you guys are going to sign up for it, or if you guys did, which box did you guys get? Have you guys tried any of these snacks? Write them down below. And yeah, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.